开始。
Open the machine.
开始。
Press this start button. The machine will reset the position automatically. And then when this sign shows back to 0, the alarm will off. Press the technology. Choose the processing. Here you have to revise the pipe diameter. And the cutting length. If you want to cut 100, then press 100. If you want to cut 40, then press 40. For the laser cut, you can also adjust the parameter value of the laser. The power, starting power cut, you can adjust to 200 maybe. And the cutting peak power 250, or maybe you want 225. The other parameters you can also set, but mainly you just have to set the cutting speed. Maybe you want to cut faster, and starting power cutting, and cutting peak power, and then save the parameter. You can also save as this section. If you save it. Like this. If you want to use this one, just press the get. After that, go back to machining and press Ctrl 2. Manual load the tube. You see the situation. 你开这里，你开这里。Remember, long press the calibration for 1 second until it came out this interface, and then press start. 到时候会附一句说这个过程很长。Then after the calibration finish, press setup. Then check the pipe diameter right here. The calibration will make the machine automatically define how the pipe parameter, the pipe's dimension. And then you can check the mode you would like to use for the machine. For example, you just want to straight cut off, then press cut. If you want to activation the de-dust function, then press activation 1 and 2 or activation 2. If you don't want to use the de-dust function, press deactivate. And then go back to machining. back to control 1. When you see this N01, press start. They will only one pieces. And if you want to cancel this function, press again stop, and then press start again. Then it will continue the cutting.
Foshan.